Welcome to tagoIO. In this video, I will be generating a daily weather report using a scheduled action and an analysis script. I'm going to begin by adding an analysis. The analysis will be a weather report written in Python. Here, I'm just going to paste in my analysis script. Essentially what I'm doing is importing the necessary packages, including the analysis package from tago. To use the script, you shouldn't have to edit this code, but you will need to input the indicated values into the fields. This part of the script is essentially retrieving the data from the OpenWeatherMap API for the given city, and then parsing that data for the temperatures and then logging them to the console. Here, I'm using SMTP to send the data from one email to the next. Now to complete the script, I just need to input my email, the email's password, the recipient email, and the city I would like to retrieve the weather data for. Once the fields have been completed, save the script, and if you're using a Gmail account to send the emails, use the link provided in the instructions to enable less secure apps. This will allow you to access your email from a Python script. If you're using two-factor authentication, you won't have the option to enable. Next, go to Actions and add a new action. The action will be to send the weather report. The type of trigger will be schedule. The type of action will be to run an analysis. And the analysis run will be the weather report we just created. You can set the action to be triggered on an interval, but for our purposes, we'll use by date so that we can trigger it on a given day and time. I'll set it for a minute from now. After I save it, I can see that it will be triggered in just a few seconds. Now, if I go to my email, I can see that I received the report. For more information about analysis and actions, you can visit our website and access the documentation. Thank you for watching.